Hi, today in front of me NAVITEL tab and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. Then just tap to install this first application and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click Enable in Settings. Then near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap to OK twice and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So the process is finished now, and let's check the new keyboard. So we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe.